And now here we are out in my front garden in the sunshine, because I've just collected this Astralite wheel from Camcoat, who've now recoated it, hopefully to match this particular colour, which is taken from an old Astralite wheel. So that was used to do a colour match. So here it is, it's all wrapped up, and I must say they had a real problem trying to get this colour match. I think they said they tried 3 different methods and 3 different finishes, and it still wasn't right. But the 4th time they got it right, so here we are. And luckily we don't pay for those problems, so you know, I don't pay anymore just because they had a problem. But Camcoat are really good about this sort of thing. They try and try again until they get things right, and that's what we like. So here we have the let's get this ripped off. And this is quite a rare wheel now, so you can see if I lift it up, you can see the colour match, and pretty damn close match there. So this finish now I think is a gold finish with a satin clear lacquer on top to get the shine just right, in comparison to the original anodized finish, which obviously they couldn't do because they couldn't match that particular colour when it's anodized. But that's pretty damn good. So this will now go back to my friend Jeff, who wants to use it on the restoration of his old drag bike, his old Honda CB drag bike that he built back in the 80s. So now that can get wrapped up, I can take it along to him, and hopefully he'll be happy with the result.